These and those. These and those are used for the things in plural. These are used for things nearby and those are used for things far away. These dogs are big. Those trees are thick. These pearls look real. Those houses are big. These scissors cut well. Those photos are hers. These books are not mine. Those books are mine. These are her cookies. Those are my trousers. These men are working hard. Those glasses look good on you. These flowers are lovely. Those dresses are expensive. These dishes are dirty. Those pillows are dirty. These students are studying well. Those students are not studying well. These girls are dancing. Those boys are singing. These insects are stinging. Those birds are chirping. These cars are fast. Those trucks are fast. These fruits are juicy. Those vegetables are fresh. These bottles are yours. Those napkins are hers. These mirrors are stained. Those shelves are clean. These rooms are big. Those rooms are small. These flowers have died. Those students are washing hands. These rackets are broken. Those are the new rackets. What are you doing these days? Those games are easy to play. These are my shoes. Those are your clothes.